Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete Instagram block list, or how you can delete or remove block list on Instagram. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So you guys have to simply open up your profile by tapping on below right corner of your profile, and here you guys have to simply tap on top right corner of three dots, and here you have to simply click on settings and privacy. In the setting and privacy you guys have to simply search for blocked. So here is the blocked. So here in the block list you guys can see I have blocked a 1%, but by just holding and tapping on that there is no any option which is delete. So how you can delete is basically you have to simply take a screenshot of a block list. So I'm just taking a screenshot. So after taking a screenshot from a block list, now you guys have to simply go back, and here you have to simply again tap on top right corner of horizontal lines and click on settings and privacy, and here you have to simply scroll down until you find the help center. So you have to simply tap the help, and here in the help you have to simply tap on the first option, which is report a problem, and here you have to simply go to report problem without checking. So after tapping on that, click on include and continue, and here you have to simply click on this upload button below to add a screenshot of that which you have took to the block list, and here you have to simply add a reason, or you guys have to simply briefly state that dear Instagram team, please delete my block list, and in this way Instagram team will review your report and will inform you through your Gmail and will solve your issue. I hope these methods find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.